Hi, I'm Julian. I'm from Canada, Quebec, and this is my boss, William the schoolie. I'm on the road since 2 years, and to finish the conversion it took me 2 years or so. So if you want to come on in, follow me. So I'm from France, Lyon, and I'm in Quebec, Canada since 10 years. I really wanted to travel, so the best way was to get even a van or a bus, but a bus there is more space for me, so this is why I chose a school bus to travel on the road. So this is my little kitchen with a oven, propane. I have storage for my dishes here, also the storage here, some table from over the oven that I can put like this, and I have another one over the sink. So this is my shelf. It's very simple. Just some rope, and I can put my precious rum bottle and all my stuff for my puppies are here. And you can see also my pantry. This is the DC fridge, so it works only on solar. So it's a big size. I have a lot of room inside and a big freezer too. I have some storage on the top and also storage at the bottom. The transition was pretty difficult at the beginning because of the size of the bus, so I have to take less thing with me. The most important thing for me to live comfy on the road. So it was an adaptation at the beginning, the few months on the road. This is a sofa and also a queen size bed. So I can just pull this side and just backflip this side, and with all the cushion it will make a good, very large mattress. So I have also shutters to close all my windows, so I can just put some inch here and all the windows are covered. So I have also an insulation behind the plywood, so for the heat or the cold weather it's very perfect, and also for the privacy. So I have also a mini wood stove from Quebec, mini wood stove. It's the grizzly one, so it's perfect for the cold weather, but not very too cold. But for the bus and the space in the bus, it's perfect. It's a warm heat, so I really love this wood stove. This is Bus Life. She's 1 year old, and I adopted her in Texas last year. So now it's a good companion on the road. It's more interesting to make a lot of miles on the road with a puppy like her. It's a Boston Terrier, and I really love her now. So this is a little stair for me and my dog to go to the bed. I have storage here. under my bed another lot of storage and my water tank. It's 100 gallons. And the bed, it's a queen size. I have also a AC because it's very, very hot in the summer. And so we have also the bathroom with the sliding door. The dry toilet, so I'm using pellet wood inside. My storage of pellet wood is here, little sink, middle storage here, and a full shower just here. So this is the ladder to go to the roof. So if you want to take a look on the roof. So welcome on my deck. So the solar panels are here. So three panels of 280 watts each. I have also a generator to charge my battery when I have not enough sun, and also to use for my AC. Also a garage with all my tools, and I have 2 paddle boards, a welding machine, all my hand tools, electric cords, lot of stuff in the garage. This is my electric room, so all the AC and DC are here. This is my batteries and my electric system for the solar panel. So I have 4 batteries of 6 volts, 450 amps each, and a big inverter, it's 3000 watts. So this is the cabin with most of the cabin is original. So I leave the metal plate on the roof, and this is my stickers of all my friends on the road. This is the engine, if you want to see. So thank you for visiting my home. You can reach me on the Instagram, William_Schoolie, and on Facebook too, William the Schoolie. And I hope to see you on the road.